Hello children, how are you all? Children, have you ever ignored someone just because they look small, quiet and you felt they were not important? Well, one day the Lion King discovered that the most important guest in his kingdom was the one everyone ignored. What happened next? Well, let's find out in today's story titled The King's Secret Visitor. Are you all ready? In the heart of Greenleaf Forest stood a grand palace made of shining vines and flowers. The king was Leo the lion, wise and powerful. One morning, he announced, "A secret visitor will come to the palace today. Treat the visitor with great respect." The news spread quickly. Milo the monkey polished the palace gates. Ruby the rabbit prepared sweet carrot cakes. Tara the deer decorated the hall with fresh flowers. Near the palace window sat a tiny sparrow named Pip. She chirped happily, "Good morning." But the animals were too busy. "Move aside, little sparrow," said Milo. "This is important work," said Ruby. Pip quietly flew to the garden and began picking dry leaves so that the path would look neat. All day the animals waited for the important guest. As the sun began to set, King Leo walked into the hall carrying a small golden feather. "The secret visitor has already arrived," he said. The animals looked around in surprise. "Who is it?" asked Tara. King Leo smiled and pointed to Pip, who was placing the last leaf into a basket. "This little sparrow is my secret visitor." "Pip?" gasped the animals. King Leo nodded. "I wish to see who would show kindness to someone small and ordinary." Pip greeted everyone cheerfully and quietly helped keep the palace clean. True respect is not only for kings, guests or important people, it is for everyone. The animals lowered their heads. "I'm sorry, Pip," said Milo. Ruby added, "We forgot our manners." Pip smiled gently. "It's all right." From that day on, whenever anyone entered the palace, whether a mighty elephant, a tiny sparrow, or even a little ant, the animals greeted them with warmth and respect. And King Leo often told the young animals of the forest, "The way you treat the smallest creature shows the true greatness of your heart." So until next time, goodbye.